What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I have an unboxing for this case. It is made by iBlazin. I got it for like $3. It was on sale, and I believe it's just a clear case. So I'm gonna do a quick unboxing and let you guys know how I feel about it. I'll put down the link below, but I don't think you're gonna be able to find it for that same price I found it for, which was like $4. But I think it was just because it was like through a code. But I'll leave the original one. It's probably like 14-15 bucks. So yeah, that's just a little installation guide on how to put your phone into a case. Oh snap, it's a dual layered case too. What? Damn, I wasn't expecting that. Alright, I just wanted a nice little TPU case, but I guess this is how this comes out. Oh boy. Let's just do this again. Let's see. How the fuck do I take this out? Oh, no cursing on YouTube. My bad, boys. What the F? Finally got it out there. Oh, and the camera just got busted. Whatever. So they first want you to put the top part on. So that's what I'll do. So let me just quickly wipe it away. It didn't come with any wipes. Nice. So it's officially been wiped. Yeah, as much as I can clean it. So let's put this thing here. You put this top part on there, and then you just slide it in, and then push the edges down like so, and you should hear a bunch of snapping. And that just basically means that the phone is in place. And just make sure you get the edges so you can touch the buttons real easily. And this one's still there. Alright, so then let's see how it works. So it has a screen protector on there, and buttons feel clicky. Buttons feel clicky, and yep, has a little protective thing for the bottom for the charging port. Pretty good. And I feel like overall for $4, if you can find it, go ahead and buy it, because that's a worth buy right there. So, and it's clear, so you can see the white on the back, not too prominent, but still it covers it. Oh, there's a little tape. I was like, what? And now it's not covered. Now the camera is fully free to take pictures or whatever. And yeah, protection over design, but that's what I value more. And I really like this case. So it's the iBlazin, I don't know what version, but it's just, if you guys want to see it down below, just comment and I'll put the link down there. So without further ado, definitely a buy for me. And yeah, it'll protect the iPhone, and it has clickiness and has access to all the buttons, which is what we need. So definitely a good purchase. So see you guys in the next video. Peace.